Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In it, I will be showing you how to use the peer-to-peer trading platform on Binance. But before that, I'd like to quickly mention our sponsors for today's video, ANY an online crypto trading platform that is easy and fast to use. You can check them out in the description down below. Also, FTMO, if you want to trade with other people's money and keep up to 90% of the profits without any losses for you, you can go check them out, but this can be a reality for you only if you can prove to them that you have the skills and knowledge of a professional trader. Do that and they will give you up to 200k of other people's money to trade with. You can keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself. That's it. Okay, so peer-to-peer, also known P2P or person-to-person trading. You can find it when you go on trade and click P2P. What exactly is it? Well, it's basically buying crypto for cash. You can buy cryptocurrency directly from other people. As you can see, now that I've opened it, we have a list here that is all about trading crypto for real life cash. That's pretty much just exchanging crypto between people. That's what it means, person to person. So where to start from? Well, let's start from here. These are the cryptos that you can buy currently: USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, and there are more actually, but that depends on the type of transfer methods and the merchant as well. So let's begin from the start. Here you can enter the amount you want to purchase, because not everyone sells under certain amounts or above. For example, there is a limit and an availability. This person has 997 USDT available, but he's willing to sell only above 200 or his entire stack. This person is willing to sell only 100, etc, etc, etc. So you must check these before you buy them, of course. You can select your fiat currency from here, the payment method you'll be using, the payment currency. Right now it's on USD, but maybe you're using euros. Select euro. And there. The price. The price is the current exchange price at the moment. Since this is a free market, there aren't any fees. Usually the fees come from the seller. So think of it as an exchange bureau where you swap currencies. So pretty much their gain is from that, buying at a lower rate than it's what it's going for. You see some people go for quite a bit of a margin. These are just the advertisers. You can click on here to show also non-validated users, meaning because you have to go through a process to become a merchant on Binance. But what I suggest is actually you can find usually cheaper deals from non-merchants, but it's more secure from merchants. The payment methods. You see, there's even a cash in person option where they deliver you deliver the cash to them and they give you the cryptocurrency. Well, but some support Banesco Panama also, and see pretty much everything in Panama here. Different banks, Zinili. You can check out the payment methods from here. There's Zelle, RTM, Skrill, TransferWise, Tinkoff, Payer, pretty much all the payment methods you can think about. If you want to use, for example, Skrill, because it's one of the most popular, let's select it. All the options to use Skrill will be popped up over here. The trades, as you can see, is 0 fee. Some are limited, some can be bought instantly. So when you click on it, you can select I want to pay a certain amount, because it's a bit of a bargaining. and I want to receive a certain amount. When you click BSD, this will be transferred to the seller and it will confirm or not. There is a payment limit, of course. The different sellers have different payment limits. The other information is also displayed here, and their terms of conditions. Make sure to read this before purchasing. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you. Remember, this isn't any financial advice. Be wise how you use your money, where you spend it, how you spend it, who you spend it to. Have a nice day, good luck, and see you next time.